Try to learn to let go of all those things that tie you down. Get rid of it, the voice inside that tells me that I'm scared. Yeah, scared of shit, but I wanna let go of it now. So someone tell me why so serious? Why we so serious? Oh, why so serious? When did we get like this? I still remember we were grown up like this. Oh, I don't seem to get all the things that are happening, and I can't make sense of everything that's inside my head, but I keep on thinking there's gotta be something said. Oh, seems we've lost it. That spark inside that tells us it's all nonsense. Stop being so cautious. With every mistake there comes a lesson learned. So someone tell me why so serious? Why we so serious? Oh, why so serious? When did we get like this? I still remember we weren't grown up like this. Oh, why so serious? Why we so serious? Oh, why so serious? Can someone tell me, did we forget about living with no regrets? Oh, I wanna live in the now. I'm not gonna live in the past. Don't wanna care about what ifs, 'cause what if those things don't last? And I wanna live with no regrets. I wanna live in the now. I'm not gonna live in the past. Don't wanna care about what ifs, 'cause what if those things don't last? And I wanna